Did you know that more than 1 in 3 Americans over 65 has trouble walking or climbing stairs? That's according to the CDC. Weak legs, painful cramps, and sudden fatigue are not just normal aging. They can rob you of independence, make falls more likely, and even shorten your life. But here's the good news. Certain traditional foods, simple things you may already have in your kitchen, can help strengthen your legs, reduce pain, and fight weakness. Stay with me, because today I'll share 5 powerful foods that seniors swear by. I'm Dr. Michael Carter, and I've spent over 25 years working with older adults on mobility and healthy aging. I'm here to tell you that food is one of the most powerful medicines you can give your body. Research from Harvard Health, the National Institutes of Health, and the Mayo Clinic shows that many seniors are missing key nutrients that protect muscle, reduce inflammation, and improve blood flow. Without these nutrients, your legs can weaken. You may feel constant cramps, or you might notice you can't walk as far as you used to. But here's the hopeful part. When seniors begin adding back certain traditional foods your grandparents likely enjoyed, many report stronger legs, fewer nighttime cramps, and more energy to do everyday things like walking in the park, climbing stairs, or playing with grandchildren. So today, I'll share 5 specific foods that are safe, affordable, and backed by US science. Each one comes with an easy way to start using it today. Let's dive right into the first tip. You might be surprised how simple it is. Tip number 1. Tart cherries. Imagine 1 small glass of tart cherry juice, helping your legs feel lighter and calmer. Margaret, a 72-year-old from Ohio, struggled with restless legs at night. Her daughter suggested tart cherry juice. Within 2 weeks, she noticed her cramps were fewer and her sleep deeper. Tart cherries are rich in antioxidants and natural melatonin. A study from the University of Michigan found that cherry compounds reduce inflammation and muscle soreness, even in older adults. Have you ever tried tart cherry juice? Yes or no? Drop your answer below. What to do? Drink 1 small glass, unsweetened, in the evening. Choose concentrate or juice with no added sugar. Pair with a light snack like almonds for extra muscle support. Bonus tip: frozen tart cherries blended into yogurt make a great bedtime snack. But what if a pantry staple could stop leg cramps almost instantly? That's our next food. Tip number 2. Bananas. Imagine stopping painful leg cramps with just 1 banana a day. George, a 68-year-old veteran, often had his legs cramp during church services. His doctor suggested more potassium. He added a banana to his morning oatmeal, and within a month, cramps became rare. Bananas are rich in potassium and magnesium, minerals that help muscles contract smoothly. The Mayo Clinic confirms low potassium is a top reason for muscle cramps in older adults. Do you eat at least 1 banana most days? Yes or no? Let me know in the comments. What to do? Eat a ripe banana as a mid-morning snack. Blend into a smoothie with milk or yogurt. Slice over whole grain toast with peanut butter. Bonus tip: overripe bananas are sweeter. Freeze and use them in smoothies. Now, what about a traditional US food that strengthens not just muscles, but also bones? Tip number 3. Milk. Imagine rebuilding your legs from the inside with just 1 glass of milk. Linda, 74, from Florida, gave up milk years ago. Her doctor later found she was low in vitamin D and calcium. She reintroduced a glass of fortified milk daily. Within months, she noticed her legs felt steadier on stairs. Milk provides calcium, vitamin D, and protein, all vital for strong bones and muscles. The NIH highlights that seniors who get enough calcium and vitamin D have fewer fractures and better balance. Do you still drink milk, or have you stopped? Comment yes or no. What to do? Choose low-fat or lactose-free if digestion is an issue. Drink 1 cup with breakfast or dinner. Use fortified milk for added vitamin D. Bonus tip: warm milk with a pinch of turmeric helps fight nighttime aches. But wait, before the next food, let's clear up a common myth that confuses many seniors. Myth vs. fact. Myth: muscle weakness is just an unavoidable part of aging. Fact: according to the CDC, strength decline is not inevitable. Seniors who eat nutrient-rich foods and stay active can maintain muscle power well into their 80s and 90s. Nutrition plays a huge role. Calcium, protein, magnesium, and antioxidants all help muscles stay strong. Weakness is often due to poor diet, dehydration, or lack of activity, not simply age itself. Type myth if you believed it before, or fact if you already knew the truth. Tip number 4. Spinach. Imagine leafy greens working like natural muscle boosters for your legs. Howard, 70, from Texas, added a spinach salad to his dinners. Within a few weeks, he noticed less stiffness in the morning. Spinach is high in magnesium, potassium, and nitrates. A Harvard study showed leafy greens improve blood flow and muscle function in older adults. Do you enjoy spinach, or do you avoid it? Comment below. What to do? Add fresh spinach to sandwiches or omelets. Steam lightly to keep nutrients intact. Mix into soups or smoothies. Bonus tip: pair spinach with a squeeze of lemon. Vitamin C boosts iron absorption. But the next food is even more traditional. It's been used for centuries to fight leg pain. Tip number 5. Salmon. Imagine calming joint pain overnight with 1 salmon dinner. Barbara, 76, from Oregon, switched her Friday night fried fish to baked salmon. Within weeks, she noticed less swelling in her knees and stronger legs for walking. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids and protein. According to the American Heart Association, omega-3s reduce inflammation and improve circulation. Key for pain-free legs. Do you eat fish at least twice a week? Yes or no? Tell me in the comments. What to do? Bake or grill salmon instead of frying. Aim for 2 servings per week. Choose wild-caught if possible for higher omega-3 content. Bonus tip: canned salmon is affordable and contains soft, edible bones, extra calcium. But what happens if seniors ignore these foods? Let me share a powerful real-life story. Let me tell you about Frank, a 79-year-old retired teacher from Pennsylvania. Frank loved gardening, but slowly noticed his legs were weaker. At first, he brushed it off. "Just old age," he said. Then came the cramps, first at night, then during the day. One afternoon, while working in his garden, Frank's legs gave out. He fell hard and was rushed to the ER. The doctors found his muscles were dangerously weak, his vitamin D levels were low, and his diet lacked the very foods we've talked about today. That ER visit shook him. With the help of a dietitian, Frank started adding tart cherry juice, bananas, milk, spinach, and salmon into his weekly meals. Slowly, his cramps eased, his balance improved, and within months he was back to walking his garden rows with pride. Frank now says, "I wish I had made these changes earlier. My legs feel younger than they have in years." His story is proof. It's never too late to rebuild your strength with the right foods. Let's recap the 5 traditional foods that can help strengthen your legs. 1. Tart cherries, soothe muscles and reduce inflammation. 2. Bananas, pack potassium to stop painful cramps. 3. Milk, gives calcium and vitamin D for strong bones. 4. Spinach, boosts circulation and muscle power. 5. Salmon, fights pain with omega-3s. These are not expensive treatments or complicated routines. They are simple, everyday foods that can make the difference between struggling with weakness or walking with confidence. I want you to remember, weakness is not your destiny. You still have power over your health. Every meal is a chance to fight pain, build strength, and keep your independence. If you felt inspired today, take one small step. Pick just one of these foods and add it to your meals this week. Start small, stay consistent, and you'll feel the difference. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which food are you most excited to try first? Do you already use any of these in your diet? Drop your answers in the comments. I personally read as many as I can, and your stories help inspire others. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe for more senior health tips, and share it with a friend who could use stronger legs. Your future is still in your hands. Let's keep moving forward, together.